Hi, this is Dr. Kim Logan-Nowlin in Houston, Texas at the Loving Hut Vegan Restaurant. Now you know I'm all about live to be well, and whenever I travel, I like to expose different restaurants to what is going on in our society and community. So tonight I ordered some sushi. Look at that, it's beautiful with avocado rolls. Okay, and then we have the vegan chicken strips with sweet and sour sauce, and we have the vegan egg rolls with more sweet and sour sauce. So I'm going to try one. Okay, let's try one. Okay, all right, and let's not forget my berry vegan smoothie. All right, let's try that. Oh, that's good. That's good. And you know me, and that's good. Okay, let's see. Excellent. Okay. Let's try that. The flavors are good, crispy, and all vegan. Excellent. Now let me try my sushi here. A little sweet and sour here, okay? Isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely beautiful, okay? Those are excellent. All appetizers. Excuse me, appetizers. I'm at the Loving Hut Vegan Cuisine in Houston, Texas. All right? I mean, it's so good. So, if you're ever in Houston, and whether you're vegan or not, come to the Loving Hut. All vegan. All right? All vegan. But I'm getting ready to enjoy my appetizers, and I'll come back with my main course. All right? But listen, Dr. Kim, live to be well. That's good. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.